I looked into some multiple agencies, but yeah, Apply Start was the best. I suggest it to everyone.
Hi, Han.
Hello.
How are you feeling today?
To be honest, yeah, I'm feeling absolutely great.
Okay, why is that so? Share
Of
your
course,
feelings.
of course, I received my visa yesterday, and uh, our expectation chilo it will take a little bit more time, but I didn't expect it to come so fast. It hit me like a typhoon or. Uh, so
Okay.
yeah.
So, how has your journey been so far?
I'd be lying if I said it was easy. To be honestly, আমি এটা straight on decide করি নাই. After even applying to University of Greenwich, I didn't even decide that I'll go there. আমি জাস্ট আব্বুর সাথে কথা হয়েছিল যে আমি এটা করতেছি, যদি হয় দেখা যাক। আব্বু বলে হ্যাঁ দেখা যাক, বাট ইয়া হার্ড ওয়ার্কও করতে হয়েছে অনেক এর পিছনে, and আব্বু আস্তে আস্তে মানছে, and here I am.
Okay, that's great. So, what would you say was the best part and the worst part of your entire journey?
The worst part is obviously the banks. Yeah,
Okay.
the banks were. I mean, আমার এটা ঠিক থাকলে if this is right, this is wrong. Banks were like that, but the the greatest part was obviously receiving the visa and the interview itself. Personally, my interview was great, and the interviewer also were really chill, so I had a great time. Yeah.
So, would you have any tip to share about your interview journey since that was the best part?
Of course. First step, don't memorize anything. Just be straight up about your goal and prove yourself that you're worthy for the visa, and you'll continue your study, especially in that country. And yeah, research is the main key behind your visa. So research hard, every topic, every course, every module, and yeah, that's about it.
That's amazing. Last question. So, any comments or anything you would like to add about Apply Start in your journey?
Obviously, I looked into some multiple agencies, but yeah, Apply Start was the best. I suggest it to everyone, and I hope they will help you just like they did me. মানে আমাকে যেভাবে হেল্প করছে সবাইকে সেভাবে হেল্প করবে. They were great, and yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Bye.